Hi, I'm Trudy Brewer, editor of Beauty EQ, and today I'm going to talk to you about a new serum from Avène. For me, skincare is everything. Nobody wants to wear a mask of makeup as they get older. So first up, I'm going to tell you about the serum. It contains two really clever types of moisture magnets, and they boost the moisture level in your skin. The first one works on the surface of the skin, and the second one deeper in the layers of the skin. It's also full of antioxidants, so it's brilliant to use before makeup during the day to hydrate your skin and give it that plump, firm look. Serum's so easy to apply. A couple of pumps into the fingers, I warm it up, and then press it into the skin, or use sweeping movements on the face and neck, and you're done. So next up, Physiolift Wrinkle Filler. Awesome little pen-like gadget. You use this at night. You just click and apply the product to those lines and wrinkles, and the vitamin A helps speed up your cell turnover and boost luminosity while you sleep. So both the serum and the wrinkle filler are packed in airless pumps, which protects the product inside, is great for travel and keeps it hygienic.